Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. So today again we are here for learning science. In science we learn about different types of animals, different types of things and different types of food. So let's start our today's lecture. As you know, I am your science teacher Mubasira Miss from Mahati School, and today we revise lesson number 4. Our today's topic is revision. So, lesson number 4, plant as food. In previous lecture, we revised this lesson. Today, we continue this lesson and revise again. So, with one beautiful line, let's start our today's lecture. And the line is, success is not for the lazy. So, it means if you want to success, you have to run, you have to walk, whatever you have to do hard work, but it is not for lazy. If you behave like lazy, then you never succeed. It means success is not for lazy, so you have to do hard work. With this beautiful line, let's start our today's topic. So today first we revise lesson number 4. Then we revised what we do in previous lecture. So our lesson number 4 is about plant, right? So plant as food. In this lesson we learn about plants, that which type of food we get from plant, that which roots we eat, which fruits we eat, which leaf we eat. All these things we learn in this lesson, so you can understand that which food we get from plant. So first we quickly revise this lesson, that food we get from plant, right? So what we get from plant? We get fruits from plant. Here you can see different types of fruits: banana, pineapple, coconut, pomegranate, custard apple. All these fruit we get from plant. So when we learn about food from plant, we learn that we get fruits and vegetables from plant. We also revise fruits spelling with activity. We write the spelling of fruits. We write the how many seeds in fruits. Some fruits have one seed, when some fruits have many seeds. So with this we learn about fruits, and we also learn that some fruits have no seeds. So with this we learn that fruits and vegetables we get from plant. Then we learn that we get vegetables from plant. Here you can see the different types of vegetable which we use in our house every day. So vegetables like potato, capsicum, lettuce, cauliflower, cucumber, tomatoes, eggplant, brinjal, all these we get from plant. So in this lesson we learn that different types of fruits and vegetables and other food we get from plant. We also learn in this lesson that how different parts of the plant we eat in our food, right? So we learn that we get fruits and vegetables from plant. Then we learn about cereals and pulses. Cereal and pulses are the food which we get from plant. It is a seeds, right? So seeds we get from plant. We learn that some seeds we eat and some seeds we cannot eat. So the seeds which we can eat, we called them cereals. Like that, pulses are also we get from plant. So here you can see the different types of food, cereal and pulses we get from plant, right? So all these things we get from plant. We also learn that cereals we use to make flour. We make breads, we make chapatis, we make puris from cereals. We make flour of wheat which we use every day 3 times in our meal. So in morning we take breads and chapatis, in breakfast, in afternoon we eat chapatis, and in evening we also eat chapatis. So you can understand that wheat is one of the food which we use every day and every meal. We also use rice every day and every meal. So cereals like wheat, oats, rice, barley, all these we use in our food. Then we learn about pulses. Pulses we get from plant like mung beans, kidney beans, yellow split peas, beans, mixed beans. This all we eat. So when we make fast food we use chickpeas also. When we make sweet dishes we use chickpea flour, gram flour. So these all pulses we use in our food. Then we learn that tea and coffee we get from plant. We also get sugar from sugarcane plant. So now you can understand that how tea, coffee and sugar we get from plant. So the thing from this lesson we learn that many type of food which we get from plant. Then we learn about different types of tea. Here you can see the different type of tea. Then coffee powder, we get coffee, brown coffee, black coffee, filter coffee, all this we get from plant. So you can see here coffee seeds, first we roast it and then we grind it. Then we get sugar from sugar. You can see here different types of sugar which we get from plant. Then we learn about root vegetables, which is a root of the plant, which is a underground part of the plant, and we learn that root are underground part of the plant. So the vegetables which growing underground and root of the plant we called them root vegetables. So which are they? Carrot, radish, onion, garlic, these all are root vegetables. We learn in this lesson about stem part of the plant which we eat like sugar cane, and we also learn that about potato, that potato is most eating food all over the world. Then we learn about leaf we eat. So which leaf we eat? Coriander and mint. These two leaf we eat from plant, and we also eat other leaf like spinach, cabbage, and these all are vegetables. And remember that green vegetables or green leaf are very healthy food for our body, which reproduce the new blood in our body. Then flower we eat, broccoli and cauliflower which we eat, right? So we learn about different types of cauliflower also. We also learn about different types of broccoli. So these two flowers we eat. We also learn about different types of essence which we use in our food for flavor, which we get from flower. So we also learn that we use rose essence and different types of other essence in our food. We also use to make cold drinks rose, right? So all these things we learn from this lesson. Then we learn that we get cereals from plant and how we are using cereals in our meal. So here you can see the picture of chapatis which we eat in morning also, in evening also, in lunch also. Then we learn about rice. Rice we use in our food. We make fast food from rice also, and oats is one of the cereals and which is very healthy. Then you can see here pulses, grams, kidney beans and peas. This all we get from plant. Here you can see that how we are using tea, coffee and sugar in our food. So we use sugar to make things sweet. So these all things we get from plant. Then we learn that We also get some other food from plant. Here you can see the dry fruits which we get from plant, which we use to garnish sweet dishes also, and we use in spicy dishes also. Then we learn about cooking oil which we get from plant. So 3 plants giving us cooking oil which we use mostly. Other plants also give us cooking oil, but in our house we use groundnut oil, coconut oil and cotton seeds oil mostly. So this oil we get from plant. Then previous lecture we learn fair book exercise. So today we continue this exercise, and first we revise that which exercise we complete in previous lecture. So here you can see first FB, we get vegetables from dash, plant or animals. So in previous lecture we solved this exercise, so you have to give answer very quickly. So we have 2 options here, plants and animals. We get vegetables from dash, plants or animals. We eat vegetables like brinjal, tomato, potato. So this all we get from plant. So the answer is plant. We get vegetables from plant. Then number 2, mango is dash we eat, fruit or vegetable. So we have 2 options here, fruits and vegetables. Here the picture of fruits, and you can see here mango, right? So mango is fruit, not vegetable. And we also learn that mango is king of the fruit. So mango is fruit we eat. We get dash from plant. So we have 2 options, eggs and sugar. So when we learn about things which we get from plant, we learn that we get fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, tea, coffee and sugar from plant. So here you can see the picture of sugar. So we get sugar cane from plant, and sugar cane juice we use to make sugar. So we write here the answer, we get sugar from plant. Number 4, banana and dash are fruit we eat, apple or potato. So we have 2 options here, apple and potato. Now from this, which is the fruit? Apple or potato? Apple. Right? So banana and apple are fruit we eat. Potato is vegetable we eat. Then number 5, spinach is dash we eat, leaf or fruit. Here you can see the picture of leaf which we eat. So which leaf it is? It is spinach. So here you can see the picture of spinach, and you also learn that spinach is leaf we eat. So what is the answer? Leaf. So spinach is leaf we eat. Then in previous lecture we revised true or false. So we have to write true if sentence is right, and we have to write false if sentence is wrong. So number 1, we get fruit from animals. So here you can see the picture of fruits and vegetables. So when we learn about fruits and vegetables, we get fruits and vegetables from plant. So we don't get fruits from animals. So the answer is false, right? So we get fruits from plants, not from animals. Then yesterday we revised number 2, potato is vegetable we eat. So yes, it is true, because potato is most eating vegetable of all over the world, right? So you can understand that this sentence is right. Potato is vegetable we eat, and it is true. Then number 3, apple is leaf of the plant. So what is right answer? Apple is leaf of the plant. Here you can see the picture of apple, right? So you can see apple with leaf. It means apple is not leaf of the plant. Apple is a fruit of the plant. So the answer is false. Then number 4, we get sugar from plant. True or false? Here you can see the picture of sugar cane, and we get sugar from sugar cane, right? So this is right. We get sugar from plant is true. Then our next question is match the following. So in this we match column A with column B. So here you can see that column A and column B. So column A is a question when column B is a answer. So what we have to write here? So we have to identify which is root, which is fruit, which is leaf, and which is stem. So first I read this column A. Number 1 root, fruit, number 3 leaf, number 4 stem. So in column B we have name of this root, fruit, leaf and stem: mango, carrot, potato and spinach. So first is root. So when we learn about root, that root are growing underground, right? So vegetables which are growing underground are roots of the plant and we called them root vegetable. So from this, which is a root? Mango is root. We can see mango on tree. Yes. So it is not root. Potato, we can see potato. Yes. So it is not root. And spinach. Yes, we can see the plant of spinach and leaf of spinach. So we cannot see carrot, right? Remember we grow plant of carrot. So we cannot see carrot. That's why carrot is root vegetable. Right? So we learn about root vegetables like onion, garlic, carrot. All these are root vegetables. Then number 2, fruit. Fruit is from column B. Potato? Yes or no? No. So which is a fruit from it? Spinach is fruit? No. So mango. We also learned that mango is the king of the fruit. So what is the answer? Mango is fruit. So we joined fruit with mango. Then leaf. We learn about spinach, that spinach is leaf of the plant, right? So we learn that green color part of the plant, leaf, right? So we learn, when we learn about spinach, that spinach color is green and it is a leaf of the plant, right? So we joined leaf with spinach and last one is stem with potato. So now you can understand that potato is stem of the plant, spinach is leaf of the plant, when carrot is root of the plant and mango is fruit of the plant. So let's write the answer: carrot, root, mango, fruit, spinach, leaf and stem, potato. So now you can understand that which part of the plant we eat, right? So we identify different part of the plant which we eat as vegetable, right? So here I write the answer. Again I repeat: root carrot, fruit mango, leaf spinach and stem potato. Then our next question is write 2 examples. So in this what we do? We write 2 names for each, right? So we have to write 2 examples for each. Number 1, fruits. So we have to write here 2 fruits. First, let's revise the name of fruits: mango, apple, banana, pineapple, watermelon, jackfruit, dragon fruit, kiwi, pineapple, coconut. These all are fruits. So from this you can write any fruit, right? So I write here 2 fruits, apple and mango, right? So what is the spelling of apple? Yes, APPLE, apple. And second fruit is mango, very yummy fruit. And what is the spelling of mango? M-A-N-G-O, mango. So two names I write here, apple and mango. You can write here any fruit which you like strawberry, watermelon, pineapple, any fruit you can write here. Right? So grapes also fruit. So you can write any of them, but remember that you have to write only fruits, not name of vegetables or cereals or pulses. Then number 2, vegetables. So first let's revise which vegetable we eat. Potato, onion, garlic, ginger, cauliflower, cabbage, spinach, cucumber, pumpkin. These all are vegetables which we eat. Right? So from this, which vegetable we write here? You can write any two vegetables. Right? So first I write here potato. As we learn in this lesson, and we also know that in our house, with every food we add potato. We make brinjal potato dish, we make cauliflower with potato, we make cabbage with potato, we make pulao with potato. So in every dish we add potato. Then second is tomato. Tomato is fruit of the plant, but we use as vegetable. Right? So let's write the spelling of potato. P-O-T-A-T-O, potato. And second is tomato. T-O-M-A-T-O, tomato. So tomatoes we also use to make sauces, to make jam also. We use as salad also. So potato and tomato are vegetables we eat. You can write any vegetable here. It's not compulsory that you write which I write. Right? So you can write your favorite vegetable. So remember that you have to write only name of vegetables. You cannot write here fruits. Then number 3, food from plant. So we get different types of food from plant. Which food we get from plant? Cereals, pulses, fruits, vegetables, tea, coffee, sugar, all these things we get from plant. We also get oil from plant. So I write here fruits and vegetables. I write here spelling of vegetables and fruit also. You can write here cereals also, pulses also, tea, coffee or sugar also. Even you can write any vegetable or any fruit also, like banana or apple or onion or potato. Right? So I write here vegetables and fruits which we get from plant. But we have to write here food from plant, not animals. So you cannot write here eggs or meat. Right? So we have to write here food which we get from plant. Then our next question is give one word. So we have to write here one word for each. Number 1, big and strong plant. So in this lesson we learn about different types of plant. Which are the small plants, creepers, climbers and tree. Right? So from this, which one is big and strong plant? Here you can see the picture of banyan tree. So it means banyan is a big plant. You can see here it is very strong also. So which is the answer here? When we learn about banyan, what we called banyan? We learn about banyan tree. So it means big and strong plant is called tree. So when we learn about rose, rose is small plant. It is not big, it is not strong. So big and strong plant is called tree. Then our next question is question answer. So we have to write here answer of the question. Now name any 3 fruits. So we learn about fruits in this lesson, right? We learn about different types of fruit. Which are they? Apple, banana, dates, jackfruit, dragon fruit, oranges, lemon also fruit, brinjal is also fruit, tomato is also fruit, right? Pineapple, watermelon, muskmelon, these all are fruits. So from this you have to write only 3 names. So I write here apple, mango and watermelon. These all are fruits we eat, right? So here you can see the spelling of apple, mango and watermelon. So let's see some fruits. Watermelon, mango, apple, brinjal and strawberry. These all are fruits which we get from plant. So now you can understand that which fruit we eat. Yes, some fruit we eat as vegetable, but you can write here this name also, right? So you can write any fruit which you like. Then question number 2, which thing give us tea? So when we learn about tea, we learn that tea is a plant, right? So first we learn that what is tea. So when our mother make tea at our home, the black color powder is tea dust. It means this tea dust we get from plant, right? So remember we learned that there is a big mountain of tea plant. We called them tea garden. So first they grow plant of tea, then take out leaf, then dry it and then make powder. So we get tea from plant. Plants give us tea. Tea dust, right? Black color powder which we use to make tea at our home in morning also and in evening also, right? Then question number 3, what give us sugar? So when we learn about tea, coffee and sugar, we learn that we get tea, coffee and sugar from plant. So sugar is a white color small cubes which we use in our food. When your mother making tea, your mother use tea dust and your mother also use white color powder or small cubes to make tea sweet. So it is a white color powder. So we get sugar from sugar cane, right? So sugar cane is plant. So what give us sugar? Sugar cane give us sugar. So now you can understand that what give us sugar? Sugar cane give us sugar. So here you can see the picture of sugar cane and in bowl you can see sugar. So how we get sugar from sugar cane? First we take out juice of sugar cane, right? Then we boil it, then we purified it, then we frozen it, then we get sugar, right? So we get sugar from sugar cane and it is very long process. We cannot make sugar at home. So we get sugar which purified sugar, right? So we get sugar from sugarcane plant, right? So what we learn today? Today we learn about different types of food which we get from plant. We revise this lesson again and we also revise exercise which we write in fair book and we write the exercise with answer. So I hope you all understand that what we learned today and you enjoy this lecture. So take care of yourself and stay healthy.